In today's digital age, where data breaches are just a click away, it's crucial to secure privileged access more effectively. That's why we are here to talk about just-in-time access, a game changer in cybersecurity. What is just-in-time access? Imagine an IT staff member needs to access or update the company's server. With just-in-time access, they can request and immediately receive the necessary permissions on a temporary basis. Once the task is done or the time expires, these privileges are automatically scaled back. This approach locks down security, preventing potential threats from exploiting permanent access points. How just-in-time access works? Just-in-time access is all about providing access rights when needed and not a minute longer. This method significantly tightens security by granting temporary permissions specifically tailored for a task or resource and then revoking them as soon as the job is complete. Let us now have a look at the types of just-in-time access. First, justification-based access control. Users must explain why they need an access. Once approved, they can connect to important resources, but only for a limited duration. During this period, credentials are carefully managed and rotated to maintain security. Second, ephemeral accounts. These are temporary or one-time accounts created for specific tasks. Once the task is completed, these accounts are automatically deleted, which drastically reduces the risk of unauthorized access lingering in your system. Third, temporary elevation. Access is granted based on legitimate immediate needs but is strictly timed. This minimizes the window of opportunity for security breaches, keeping exposure at a bare minimum. Are you looking to elevate your organization's security? Opt for just-in-time access from MiniOrange. It's secure, efficient, and tailored precisely to your needs. Thanks for watching. MiniOrange is your partner in advanced cybersecurity solution. To stay ahead in cybersecurity, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates and insights.